Hello there, this is Prince back again with another tutorial regarding image compressor using Python. So on this tutorial you can see that an image containing its size of 2.36 MB to nearly about the size of 196 kilobyte without decreasing any quality of it. So here we start. Okay, we are going to initially use a peel module and import module in our project today. So first of all, we need to get the destination location and the source location. Then after, we have a simple function regarding compress image. And then after, it does all the magic over there. First all the images, then after we can run the function, we can call the function over there, path and destination. Alright, so let's do a quick example of it. First I'm going to select my source folder, then I'm going to copy it down, then I'm just going to paste it in my path, which is source. Then I'm going back to my destination folder, I have it's in the compressed. If I copy that one, the file source, then after I paste it into your destination, then I run this whole program that it's going to compress all the images inside of that source folder. Here you can see all the images names being printed out. Yeah, there you can see compressed images, and you can kindly see that there is a size of like 700 kilobyte, and if I go and check it out in the original picture, I'm gonna get quite a huge MB. I guess this proves that it's going to be very good. Okay, just Alright, thank you guys for watching this video tutorial. Be sure to like, share and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.